Hello children, how are you? Today in this video I am going to tell you the formation of P, small cursive P. Okay, just see I am writing it for you on the bold surface. P for parrot. From here we are going to start, take it up, same come down and then we'll take a curve P. Now one thing which you want to remember is that do not touch the line. This first line you are not going to touch. Okay, again see, from here you are going to start, come down, then again move up and P. Okay, once again come down, then P. And one thing I always tell you, that while writing cursive, unless the letter is finished, you are not going to pick your pencil. This thing you have to keep in mind always. Okay, once again see, from here move up, then come down, touch the bottom line, then move up, give a curve and like this. Got it? Okay children, now get ready with your notebook and pencil. We'll practice it on 4-line notebook. Okay? Ready all of you? Today's date we will write 25th of May 2020. CW classwork. Okay? Start writing. From here you'll go up, will not touch the top line. Okay, then come touch the bottom line, then again come back and P. Once again see, we'll come back and P. P for parrot. P for pigeon. P for peacock. Okay, all of you write with me. From here we'll start, will not touch the line, then we'll touch the bottom line, then give a curve and like this. Start from here, then come down. Down line you have to touch, but the top line that you are not going to touch. Okay, again then move up, give a curve and P for parrot. Come on, hurry up, write along with me. Very good. Don't go outside the line. Okay, very good. See, I've done a mistake here. I'm going to erase it. Start from here, then come back on the same line and P. Again, come back, P. P for parrot. P for peacock. P for pigeon. See, better focus on the formation. Then come down, give a curve and like this. Okay, then again, and one thing, you are not going to pick the pencil unless the letter is finished. It's complete, then only you are going to pick the pencil. The main thing I am telling you, always when you are writing cursive, you have to keep in mind that you are not going to pick the pencil unless the letter is complete. Again move up, come down, touch the line, give a curve from here and like this, P. Once again all of you, are you writing along with me? Yes. P. P for parrot. P for peacock. Once again, like this. Then come back and give a curve here. Again, like this. See with the next line again. Come back like this. Again. Okay. From the first, second and third line you're going to start. Move up. Don't touch this line. We are not going to touch this line. Again, then come back on the fourth line. Then moving up and like this. Okay. Now bete, this see how many lines I have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 lines I'll write. Okay. You are also going to write 8 lines. See, my notebook is little bit longer one. So after writing this, we'll write here same